Hello guys, this is Abno Mechanic, this is Peter Pedro. Yup. Welcome to my vlog. Lahat ng posisyon gagawin, may pasok lang. This chip mechanic, this right chip mechanic. This one. Nakabit na po tayo ng lining, clutch lining and transmission. Yan. Konting ingit lang, baka mabawasan ng ating daliri. Wow. Walang daliri sa palengke, paa lang ang meron. Thank you guys.